Hi everyone, this is Sathar Ali here again with Les Jours de la semaine, the days of the week. In English we have 7 days, as we have in every language. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Note that most of the time we start with Sunday. We say in English Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that. But we have to be careful when you learn French language because it starts with lundi. You start with lundi. Lundi. Lundi means Monday, lunar. You can see that Lun. So it's all about moon. Okay, Monday, mardi, Tuesday, mardi. In alphabet we learn the sound h, so mardi, mercredi, 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 jeudi, jeudi, vendredi, vendredi, samedi, samedi, dimanche, dimanche. So lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. One thing you should notice that all of these 6 days have "di" here at the end of a word. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi. But in dimanche, "di" comes before that, before mange. So at the beginning of it, we have "di". So that's how we understand Sunday is dimanche. Okay, so lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Lundi, mardi, mercredi. 3 syllables. Mercredi, jeudi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Lundi, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. And finally, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Practice it every day and make it your own. Thank you very much. Again, see you later. Au revoir.